look, if you want to open yourself up, like I said earlier, my mentor used to say, if you want to work on yourself, work on your acting, work on yourself. And I say, if you see there's something in your creative work, in your acting, whatever your creative work is that you want to change, look and see what needs to change in your daily life. What do I need to do? If I want this to be more open, to move in that direction, okay, well, what am I doing daily? Because your daily self, your daily habits, your daily blocks, whatever it is you do is going to transfer right into your work. Again, it doesn't magically turn on or off because you're on set or because you want it to. There's work involved. There's effort involved. But there's also fun. It's about finding the joy and the fun in it. And remember, that's ultimately why you do these things. And that's what I mean. Acting is not for the faint at heart. I don't think anything within this industry is. And I think more producers and directors and whatnot would benefit from getting more acting so they can understand where the actors are coming from, how to communicate. Actors are very special, sensitive beings. Usually come with a lot of wounds and dysfunctions. And it's a wonderful place to put it. You can bring your feelings to work and have them. Isn't that something? What other job can you do that? Now you got to keep it within the parameters, you know what I mean? You don't want to be, what's his name, yelling at the boom guy. Yeah. But sometimes you're so in character.